Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to demystify a vital aspect of the insurance world: third-party insurance. If you've ever wondered what it is and how it works, stick around because we're diving deep into this topic. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is third-party insurance? Well, it's a type of insurance coverage that doesn't primarily protect you, the policyholder. Instead, it focuses on providing protection to others who may suffer losses or damages caused by you in certain situations. So, what does third-party insurance typically cover? Here are some common scenarios. 1. Auto insurance. If you're at fault in an accident, your third-party liability coverage will pay for the damages to the other driver's vehicle and their medical expenses. 2. Liability insurance. For businesses, third-party liability insurance covers legal expenses and damages if a customer or visitor is injured on your property. 3. Professional liability insurance. Professionals like doctors, lawyers, and architects carry this insurance to cover legal claims filed against them by clients for errors or negligence. 4. Public liability insurance. This covers businesses and individuals for injuries or property damage caused to third parties in public spaces. 5. Product liability insurance. Manufacturers and sellers use this to cover legal costs if their products cause harm to consumers or their property. Now, let's break down how third-party insurance works. When you have this type of coverage, your insurance company steps in to handle claims made by third parties against you. This can include paying for medical bills, property damage, or legal fees. It's important to note that your own expenses are not covered by third-party insurance. So, what are the benefits of having third-party insurance? 1. Legal protection. It offers protection from potential legal claims and the associated costs. 2. Peace of mind. Knowing that you have coverage in case you cause harm to someone else can provide peace of mind. 3. Compliance. In many cases, having third-party insurance is a legal requirement, such as auto insurance. When selecting third-party insurance, consider these factors. 1. Coverage limits. Ensure you have sufficient coverage to protect your assets and financial well-being. 2. Policy cost. Shop around to find affordable options that suit your budget. 3. Legal requirements. Make sure you meet any legal requirements for the type of coverage you need. Third-party insurance is all about protecting you from potential financial liabilities and legal claims made by third parties. It's a crucial part of managing risk in various aspects of life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.